As we come to the end of this comprehensive GIAC Certified Incident Handler GCIH course, it's important to reflect on the key concepts we've covered and how you can continue your cybersecurity journey. Throughout this course, we've explored incident handling processes, hacker techniques, ransomware threats, network security, forensics, penetration testing, threat intelligence, and real-world case studies. We've also examined critical security tools, best practices, and strategies to effectively detect, respond to, and mitigate cyber threats. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field, and staying ahead requires continuous learning, hands-on experience, and ongoing professional development. In this final section, we will summarize what you've learned, discuss next steps in your cybersecurity career, and provide recommendations on how to keep improving your skills beyond this course. One of the most important takeaways from this course is the 6-step incident handling process: preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and lessons learned. These steps form the foundation of a structured and effective incident response strategy. By understanding how to prepare for attacks, identify threats, contain damage, and recover efficiently, you can minimize the impact of security incidents on an organization. You also learned how cybercriminals operate, using techniques like phishing, malware, privilege escalation, and persistence mechanisms to compromise networks. Gaining this attacker perspective allows you to proactively defend systems, detect anomalies, and anticipate security breaches before they cause significant damage. Another crucial aspect of this course was the practical application of cybersecurity tools. We explored Wireshark for network traffic analysis, Metasploit for penetration testing, Snort for intrusion detection, and SIEM platforms for log analysis. These tools are widely used in security operations centers, SOCs, incident response teams, and forensic investigations. Mastering these tools will help you improve your threat detection capabilities and enhance your effectiveness in responding to cyber attacks. Hands-on practice is essential, so we strongly recommend setting up your own home lab environment using virtual machines, security distributions like Kali Linux, and cloud-based security platforms. Cybersecurity is not just about technology. It's also about risk management and compliance. Throughout this course, we covered security frameworks such as NIST, ISO 27001, and MITRE ATT&CK, which are used by organizations to structure their security policies, risk assessments, and regulatory compliance efforts. Understanding these frameworks will help you align technical security measures with business objectives, making you a more effective cybersecurity professional. Additionally, we discussed real-world incident response case studies such as the WannaCry ransomware outbreak, the Equifax data breach, and the Colonial Pipeline ransomware attack, demonstrating how organizations handled security incidents, the lessons they learned, and how they improved their defenses. Now that you have completed this course, what should you do next? First, if you are preparing for the GCIH certification exam, make sure you review the key exam domains, including incident response techniques, hacker tools, network defense, malware analysis, and penetration testing methodologies. Practice using cybersecurity tools, take practice tests, and create an organized reference guide for the open book exam. If you're new to cybersecurity, consider pursuing additional foundational certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, or GIAC Security Essentials, GSEC, to strengthen your knowledge before attempting advanced certifications like GCIH, OSCP, or CISSP. Beyond certifications, you should focus on gaining real-world experience. Many employers prioritize practical cybersecurity skills, so building a portfolio of projects, participating in Capture the Flag, CTF competitions, and engaging in cybersecurity challenges on platforms like Hack the Box and TryHackMe can help you stand out. You can also gain hands-on experience by volunteering for cybersecurity roles, contributing to open-source security projects, or working in entry-level SOC analyst or IT security roles. Cybersecurity is a highly collaborative field, and networking with other professionals through conferences, security forums, and LinkedIn groups can provide valuable mentorship opportunities and career connections. If you are already working in cybersecurity, continuing education is key to staying relevant in this fast-moving industry. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and security professionals must stay updated on the latest attack techniques, vulnerabilities, and security defenses. Subscribing to cybersecurity news sources like Krebs on Security, Dark Reading, and the Hacker News, participating in webinars and industry conferences, and following threat intelligence reports from security vendors will help you stay informed. Additionally, specializing in advanced security fields such as cloud security, threat hunting, malware reverse engineering, or red teaming can open new career opportunities and higher-level security roles. It's also essential to develop soft skills in cybersecurity, including communication, problem-solving, and teamwork. Many security incidents require coordinating with multiple teams, explaining security risks to non-technical stakeholders, and making quick decisions during cyber attacks. Cybersecurity is not just about finding and fixing vulnerabilities. It's also about understanding business risks, educating employees on security awareness, and implementing long-term security strategies. Professionals who can effectively communicate security risks and solutions will stand out in leadership and management roles. As you move forward in your cybersecurity journey, remember that learning never stops. Cybersecurity is one of the most dynamic and exciting fields, offering endless opportunities for growth, innovation, and impact. Whether you're working as an incident responder, penetration tester, SOC analyst, or security consultant, your role is critical in defending organizations, protecting sensitive data, and preventing cyber threats. Keep pushing yourself to learn new skills, practice ethical hacking techniques, and explore different cybersecurity disciplines to build a long-term and successful career. Thank you for being part of this course. We hope you found it valuable, practical, and insightful. We encourage you to stay connected with the cybersecurity community, continue expanding your knowledge, and apply what you've learned to make a real impact in the industry. If you are preparing for your GCIH certification, best of luck on your exam. If you have any questions, want to share your experiences, or need guidance on your next steps, feel free to connect with other cybersecurity professionals and mentors online. This is just the beginning of your cybersecurity journey. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and keep learning. We wish you great success in your career as a cybersecurity professional and incident handler. Congratulations on completing the course, and thank you for learning with us.